clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Look at the gold push up. Hey, everybody, I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to MyFundedFutures Asia session. I'll be your host for the next 2 hours. Gold's pushing up here. Hello, buddy. All right, some really great patterns here today in the gold and silver. Gold and silver. I can't tell you today, if this gold gets up to the 24.5, 25, look to short against the 29.5 range. You know, one of the things I have to tell you, hey, Little Roo, how are you? Mikey Jacques. So many people today, really, I'm just going to read something to you that I got from a man from Italy, okay? And he said to me, Stephen, great session today. I love not to be afraid anymore when trading metals. I've learned new stuff and making money too. Thank you so much for the support and your passion. Meaning the fact that I am so happy to have educated so many people to trade the metals markets, to not be fearful, to be able to learn the markets in a way that is very productive in a way. I think I counted 39 or 41 silver trades. I had one stop out today on the silver out of 39 or 41. Gold, I didn't have any. S&Ps, I think I had one. NASDAQ, I had one. NASDAQ, I think between the patterns and the scalp were probably about 18, 19. S&Ps between 19 to 24. So again, you know, it's about really understanding the conditions in the market, understanding the markets in general, and really look at this silver. I mean, look at the 60-minute time frame on silver here. I don't know if you guys can see this here. This is a beautiful Picasso. This is the move here. But it gives me how many? Oh, forget it. Hey, M. Dot, how are you? Yeah, see, TradeX, I love it, TradeX, and that there's so many people who have, you know, I mean, one young man made over $30,000 with me today. Another person made 12. Another person made 21. And this gives me a lot of great joy, to be honest with you, to be able to have so many of you do well. And again, I'm not an affiliate, so I just want, hey, Raphael Trades, good talking to you today. Spencer, how are you? Pro Trader. All right. So again, you know, the metals markets are really, hey, Zil from Finland, ICT, NGL, how are you? Ariel Gomez, Corbs. Yeah, Corb Trades, you got to join my stream every day. All right, silver, S&Ps, just, SG's been a long day. Hey, Alex and Lisa, how are you? Gold, I'd cancel the short up there, gold. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you look here, again, just looking at the work, you can see that gold right here, reversed to buy on the 15-minute time frame at 1930. And what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback right here. Gold got, get back. Gold got down to the 12.5 range, and then it exploded up 11. So this technically is the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame after the 15 reversed to buy. And if you look here on the 30-minute, the 30-minute's still negative, but the positive MACD. And if you look here on the 60-minute, it's bullish. So you have what's called a buy disconnect here. So you're looking to buy when the 15-minute time frame reverses the buy, it correlates with the 60. This is a set strategy. You buy the first pullback on the 5-minute, and there it is. This is a Jeff, if you see this is a set strategy, everybody. Okay, this is a trying to cover some shorts here. Where? Who's short? Okay, MyFundedFutures. This is a great firm here. Okay, if this gold gets up to the 2380, 2480, up to 2880, 2980, I look to short it. Okay, all right. But again, this is a set strategy right here. Right, Little Roo, Shushin. You see that? You guys come in Manila. Okay. So again, just a little, okay, just want all of you. Hi, Isaac. How are you, Isaac? All right. My boy, Mr. Gold just dropped 4. Okay. NASDAQ futures, S&Ps really doing nothing here. On the indexes, you are in a sell disconnect on the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. All right. Anybody here? Anybody new here? Anybody new? Anybody new here? Okay, if you have if you're new, don't believe it went up. What happened? Take care of the silver, use stops. Yep, silver. This silver is amazing. You see that article today, yesterday? Same thing here as silver. Look, see silver? Look at this. The 15 reverses the buy, 19.15. You buy this pullback, 87.97, 50 cents on silver. Really great long there. Hello, I'm new. Danielle Happiness. Oh, that's a pretty name. All right, so we're going to be doing 10 giveaways tonight at 9:50. Here's the rule, okay? If I can't read it, I am not calling it, period, okay? I don't care who you are. If you have some crazy cockamamie name on a YouTube name, I'd short some silver here if it gets up to the 63 to 93 range. I'm not reading it, period, because yesterday was a horror show. Jay Birds, right? Good evening. What's up, everybody? TJP, right? I'm not reading it. It's over. Bring it in. Day done. Look at this, Mr. Pie Penny. Oh my God. Hey, Jay Birds, what's going on? EMM, how are you? Devon Shields, and anybody new here, you could text me and I'll give you a 5-day free trial. Look at this. Look at this silver. Mr. Buy a Penny. You could text me at 914-500-7484. Dragonfly, how the hell are you? Trading patterns, long NASDAQ, 25,911. Oh, boy. All right, just be careful. All right, you may get one more push up. Right, TradeX? If I can't read it, I ain't calling it. Period. Fill the colas. Get an interpreter? I have one. Jennifer is my interpreter. What's up, Bats? Right? What's up, Bats? I'm not reading them. Okay? I cancel the gold and silver. Just forget about it. Right, Keith Matthews. I'm not reading them. The hell with it. I mean, some crazy cock. And first of all, the damn thing was so freaking blurry, I couldn't see blank from Shinola. See, Hitman? Hitman knows my terminology. If I can't read it, it's over. OVA. You caught the short on copper? All right. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see here. All right. Now, let's look at the bigger time frames. The MACDs are negative on the 30 and 60 here. So the 30 just reversed. So the real strategy here on silver is going to buy, you got to buy pullbacks on the 5 and 15s. All right. There you go. Up 450. Right. SK reading the names makes my night. Hilarious. Keep reading them. You want me to keep doing that? I look like an idiot, like a baboon. Okay. All right. I'd short some silver here. 68, 69 up to 99 even. Okay. 75. Here you go. 75 to 05, 70 to 05, something like that on the silver. Should get a pullback here. This is a monster long here. Monster long. Okay. I'll put some silver out here. Let me just See what the hell's going on here. All right. See if this thing can drop here a little bit. All right. Boom. There you go. Just made, I think I made like $180 just short in silver just now. All right. On Tradeovate. I love Tradeovate, by the way. I love Tradeovate. Oh, this silver is pushing up here. What the hell? 90. What are you, crazy? All right. If this silver, I look to cover any silver between the probably 55 and 80 range here. You're going to get a pullback. Hey, River Play. How are you, River Play? Done for the night, up 895. Andrew trades. That's phenomenal, Andrew. God bless you, Andrew. Good job. Chavos Bar. And anybody new should be texting me to get a 5-day free trial. Okay, my live stream. I went long just when you said short. That makes up a ball game. See? Right? R&R. There you go. 780 times 75. There, I love that. There you go, R&R. I love it. Silver. People were talking today about 150 on silver. The micro silver is SILH6. Jaybird. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go, Bob Barker. What happened? Look at the silver drop. S&Ps and NASDAQ. Who just made 17? Bob Barker? There you go. That's what I'm talking about, Bob Barker. Great job, Bob. All right. Love these patterns. That was a scalp short on silver because the 15s and the 30-minute time frames reversed to buy. I love the fact that so many people really, really are trading the metals. Danny Dan, of course, but you got to, right? Come on down, right? Come on down, Bob Barker. That's what I'm talking about. What happened, Hendricks? What happened, Daddy? Where's my Henny Poo? Look at my big boy. No, you got enough. Go back. Where is all this coming from? Hey. You killed your bird. All right. Nice little short scalp short there. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that bird. All right. If this gold gets up to the 25 and a half, I look to scalp the short there. All right, let's see here. Silver, 25 and a half up to 31 and a half range on the gold. Can't you see what happened? I'm up 4,500 on 5 accounts early, pretty strictly trading gold for 7 trading there. Jared, that's what I'm talking about. God bless you. That's a great job. 400 for me. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody welcome Dolo Duke. how are you? Trading patterns, that's a great job, Dolo Duke. Angel, how are you, Angel? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. There goes the gold. The silver, I short some silver again here, 96 up to 26 on the silver. If you're short silver here. Okay. All right. There goes the gold pushing up, silver pushing up, gold, silver. Unbelievable. What a pattern. Boom. Look at that. See that? See how you trade that? Boom. You see that? In and out. Sold 97, 98s on silver. Look to cover silver below 85. See what I'm talking about, Joshua? Okay? That's how you do it, baby. In and out, right? Especially when you're scalping a trend, okay? All right? Especially when you're scalping a trend. All right? Diego Scalper. Oh, Dave M. from Florida. Hey, what's going on, brother? Yeah, there was a pattern right before. Gold, look to cover gold below 24 if you're short, right? You're in a positive trend. Look at silver, just dropped 20 cents. Silver, get in there, Josh. Hitman, get in there, Hitman. Look at Hitman going 24 hours. My main man there from Thailand, Hitman, unbelievable. Hitman's an animal. He belongs in a cage, just like silver, right? Good night and God bless. Wow, that was fast, Bob Barker. Damn, May 1700's gone. Wow. Ethan, great job. Miami, whatever. Injulado. Okay. What's the strategy here? We're scalping shorts on the trend. Okay, looking for pullbacks. Let's go, Hitman. Hitman, very proud of you, Hitman. Hopefully one day you'll come and visit us in the States. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, what do you think of scalpings? Okay. Nice long on the NASDAQ there. Good job. Just ran about 15. S&Ps ran about 3. It could be 30 seconds. Okay. I got Hendricks here. Hendricks is here. Hey, Just Ben, how are you? Very quiet, even for silver. All right. So we're going to do about 10 giveaways tonight. Please, 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 please sign up in the MyFundedFutures YouTube. Okay. It's 9 o'clock's the cutoff, period. Look at the silver drop. Oh, my God. Okay. Let's go, Bob Barker. My door's always open. Thanks for the kind words. Silver dropping, gold dropping. Man, I love scalping that silver. Oof. I love scalping silver. Damn. Right, Jeffrey, Shushin, Littleroo, Bats. What's going on, Bats? Gold just dropped 2. All right. Gold just dropped 3. Silver just dropped 22. Silver is a beast. Copper. Let's look at copper. Copper could be a little bit funky. Oh my God, what a drop. 04, 2 cents, 3 cents in copper. That's pretty big. Look at the gold just get kabooshed. Look at the gold just drop 3. Hey, Franco Fozzi. Love that name. Post a link. All you got to do is just text me 914-500-7484 VWAP, and I'll send you a 5-day free trial. Gold just got kabooshed. Copper just got absolutely kabooshed. Okay. You know, 7-8 months ago, when I was talking to Luke about doing the Asia session, you know, I used to trade the Asia session with my son. You know, I come home from work, and then 8 o'clock at night, we go up in his room, and we would just trade the S&Ps. You know, sometimes gold. Silver was buckus, 23, 18, 23, 19. Maybe silver moved 8 cents. I mean, not like $8, 8 cents, you know. Up 10 on NASDAQ. You should be up more than that, up 20 on NASDAQ. All right. And next thing I know, no, he's not. And then next thing I know, I was in Miami, and I said, we got to do an Asia session. And, you know, Luke, I've known Luke forever. And he said, absolutely, let's do it. And that's when I started talking about, I was just doing the S&Ps then. And then I did gold. And I said, we got to trade the metals, man. Silver, copper, platinum, if they're active. And you should have seen the chat. Oh, my God. What are you, crazy? Nobody trades gold. How do you trade gold? How do you trade silver? How do you trade copper? Who trades platinum? Does the prop firms even? Look at this gold down 5. And I'm like, guys, calm down, right? The giveaways are $9.50. And I said, what are you worried about? Don't just make believe you're trading water, period. And you know what? I have to tell you, that opened up a lot of people's eyes. Okay. And you never look back. Study freely. You never look back. Good job on the NASDAQ long. Zero trader. And the next thing I know, no, he's not trading no more. He's working for a member firm now. And then next thing you know, I said, right? I said, we got to trade these gold and yeah. I mean, literally, I have people thanking me that this has actually turned their lives around, meaning the fact that the volatility, the fact that they could trade another asset, that sometimes, you know, and I always think any beginner trader should not be trading the NASDAQ, right? You just got to text me at 914-500-7484. Okay, that's how you get my live stream, my trial. And then we started doing them at night and little by little, and right. And then Denny started getting involved in the metals and everything. And next, you know, within like 3 weeks, the whole world was trading the metals. I mean, people were going completely bonkers. I mean, it did help that silver went from, 28 up to 80, 89 here, right? Why not NASDAQ? I like the S&Ps better. I mean, I could trade the NASDAQ. Doesn't make a difference to me, right? But basically, I think you should look to trade one metal or 2 metals and 1 index future. Really. I mean, I think silver makes the NASDAQ look stupid. I think silver makes the NASDAQ look stupid. Let me give my handy a treat here. If the silver gets up, just dropped again. Jesus, even. Just dropped. Look at that, 25 cents in no time on silver. I mean, 25 cents, man. This silver gets up to 89 again, 89 to 89.30. So as you see, okay, with silver, silver was volatile. Not obviously. Hey, Nicholas Sal, let's go. Obviously, something trading at 88, 89 is going to trade a lot differently than something that's 20, okay, than 20. So, all right. But again, one of the most important things to think about, okay, one of the most important things to think about is being comfortable in the asset. How do you sign up for the free trial? I just said 914-500-7484. I didn't give a target on the NASDAQ. I didn't do that. The whole world's trading silver. Where's Candace been? Let's go, Nicholas Sal. It's Nick. You have to type it silver. SALVA. Silver. Silver is nuts, right? All right. Let's see, boy. Now it really got quiet here. All right. Silva. There it is. That's it. There it is. That's the name of the game. All right. Silver, I would cancel the short. 20 cents down like nothing on silver. Okay. All right. So we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight at 9:50. Okay. 10 giveaways tonight. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. See if this silver gets one more push up. Hey, Just Blaze. How are you, Just Blaze? How are you? And again, we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight at 9:50. Okay. Yeah, please. If there's a name I can't enunciate, it's over. I ain't reading it. That's the rule. You come up with some cockamamie name with almost every letter in the alphabet, I'm not reading it. Period. Okay. Hey, Shallies. How are you? Okay. Hey, Bodine. How are you? Bodine, Rug. Next. Exactly. Can I read your name? I Dice Bananas. Okay. I'm telling you right now, change your YouTube name. I'm not fooling around. It's over. OVA. If I can't read and you don't have normal names, I'm not reading them. Next. Readable names only. Right? Exactly. Hey, Jeffrey Wakeling. How are you, Jeffrey? See, there's a name. Jeffrey, Nick LaSalle, Hitman. These are trading patterns. Dolo Duke. Okay. Robert Lopez. Pomsky. Unnext 999. IRT Trades. Nova Trader. Right? These are names. AJ, Internet Explorer, Cool Joker. I like these names. Jip Smith, ICT NGL, Germer. Hey, Germer. The Leaf. Right? Rug 986. You can't get any better than that one. Oof. Right? It's Christmas in December. Love that name. Okay. Step Treks. See, these are good names. I can read these names. Alex Cov, Denise McPherson. There you go. That's a name. Right there. Right? That's a name. Enough is enough. Daryl, how are you? Chicken Owens MC. Right? The Trader's Nest. MJ. Gen X. Trading Patterns. What's going on, brother? Right? MM Unfiltered. These are names. What the hell happened to silver and gold tonight? Look at this one. Squabble Vest. Come on. Milton Barros Leon. Oh, my God. Captain Price. All right. Enough is enough. Oh, I knew they were going to drop. Freaking NASDAQ. All right. Scared Money, Running Man, the Gary B. Bots. Right? Denise McPherson. That's a great name right there. Wow, we got an hour and a half to go here. It's quiet. It's quiet. What happened? All right. That CPI number. That CPI number. Gotta watch it. Juicy 5804. All right. Silver's got another push up here. Same thing with gold. Gold and silver. Can you believe this silver? Really, and all honesty, can you believe this silver? Look at this. You're $13 above the 10-bar moving average. This thing should drop to 82.81. Easy. What else? I was about to say short that silver. Jesus. I mean, S&P's up there. All right. If this silver gets up to the 89.05, let's see if it gets to 89.05 here. You got the non-confirmations here. Tell us the story. A horse with no name. What's a good story to tell you? Did I ever tell you the story where someone asked me if I had a strategy for 358, 357. Did I ever tell you that story? I mean, I have so many. Tell us how I met my wife. Well, I'm divorced now, but I was playing softball. Oh, here goes the gold pushing up. I'd short this gold here, 26.80 up to 32.80. My first trade ever. Oh, this is a great story. So my first trade ever, I had $3,000 saved up, and I told my father, Dad, I want to trade. He goes, go ahead, open an account with Tommy, his friend. So I put $3,000 in an account at the wherever he was, what firm he was at. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ get kabooshed. I knew it was a short, Stephen. S&P's dropped 4, NASDAQ just dropped 22. So I put $3,000 in the account. I was working on the Florida American Stock Exchange. I had no idea what the hell I was doing. Right? I told you this story. 1983. And I see a company behind me called American Can. And I said, Tommy, buy me 5 Feb. This was back in October. So I had October, November, December, January, February, 5 months. So stock's trading around 51.5. I said, Tommy, buy me 5 Feb 50 calls at 2 3/4. Right? And I'm so mad I missed the NASDAQ short. Jesus, Stephen. And bought 5 at 2 3/4. Though I know that every night and every weekend the options expire. Right? I mean, they lose their premium value. So then I buy more at $1 3/4, more at $1, more at $0.75, more at $0.50. Okay. And Lucky Lou. And next thing I know, right, it's Christmas time. I have no money. And I'm like this. And at the end of the day, the day before it was Christmas Eve, and I feel somebody pat me on the back. I turn around. He said, kid, go and enjoy your Christmas. You can't turn the machines back on. I'm like, what? So I said, So I was miserable, had no money for Christmas, and I'll speed it up. They're a cabinet to a stint. The stock's trading $41, which means there's no bid, right? So it's the week before expiration. The stock's trading 40.5, 41. I got the Feb 50 calls. They're practically worthless. And that Monday, the stock's up 3. Tuesday, the stock's up 3. That Wednesday, the stock's up 3. That Thursday, the stock's up 2. Now we're at 50. Now on Friday, the stock's up about $1 3/4. At the end of the day, it rallies to 53, 52.5, 53. I pick up the phone at 3:45 and said, Tommy, sell, I don't know, 15 or 18 Feb 50 calls. Done. I see the broker walk in the crowd. American Can, Feb 50 calls, 2 3/4, 7/8, 7/8, 3. Sold 18. Boom. Right? So as I'm hanging up the phone and I see Billy Dan walking the orders in, right? Billy Dan was a specialist, and the broker walking in to execute my trade. Hey, Tel Collections. Oh, look at this silver drop. I mean, this gold drop. And then next thing I know, I turn around and I see my father. He's standing right behind me. And he said, are you out? I said, yeah, I'm out. I just sold them. He just saw the broker walk in the crowd, saw my 18 contracts. And he says to me, well, what did you learn during this? I said, what do you mean? He said, well, let me tell you something. When I came on the floor, okay, and MMA Unfiltered Have them call me, 914-500-7484. And then, so next thing I know, my father tells me, he says, when I came to work on Monday, I was walking up the stairs to come to the office, I saw a penny faced up, and I made a wish that that you would not lose any money. So he said, what did you learn during this? I said, whenever you have a losing trade, you find a penny faced up. He says, no, you idiot, you moron. My father. I went like this. And he said to me, oh my God, hit 26.5. You see that? Robbins, St. Pete, I cancel the short. So he said to me, no, you moron, you idiot. I said, all right, what happened? He says, you never averaged down. And that was the last time I averaged down. And after he left, with about 4 minutes ago, I picked up, I said, Tommy, buy me 10 Merrill calls. I was a lunatic, right? I had no idea what I was doing, right? I bought 10 Merrill Lynch calls, like $1.78. I think I sold them the next week for 2 3/4. I never did an options trade again after that. And then I went on to trade stocks. I traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life. All right. Okay. That's a true story. I mean, I have a million stories, though. People I met, people I've seen, people I've done things with, the trades I did, the markets I moved. Oof, forget it. Oh, my God. The good old days. Good old days. No, averaging down, you have no regard for stops. Averaging in or averaging into a position, up and or down, you have stops always in place. Okay? My dad was an execution broker. He does not per se trader. Okay? I mean, I was very fortunate. I was the only person in the United States to get $1 billion line of credit back in 1994, 1995. You know what $1 billion back then was like? Forget it. To be trusted with $1 billion of firm capital? Oh, forget about it. Forget about it. $1 billion line of credit. And you might not think $1 billion today doesn't seem like a lot, but back in 1994, 1995, $1 billion? Are you kidding me? I was never a market maker. I was a pure outright trader. Outright. I was the largest bullet trader in the world. I would short some gold here. I mean, some, what did I say, 89? Silver, if you're short, it just dropped, got down to up to 89.05, just dropped 12. You short? Why not? I did. I said 89 to 89.30. I did call the short in silver. Okay. You're like 4 feet to my left. You should have heard that. Okay. Did you hear it?
I was scalping in and out of silver.
Well, I said, look to short silver, 89 to 89.30. Okay. Robin St. Pete, he heard it. So anyway, then my biggest trade I ever missed on was America Online. I had 100,000 shares to buy. I left the order. I forgot to put the order in. I had 100,000 shares to buy market at 340. There was about 60 million to buy on the bell. It was being added to the S&P 500. And I was going to buy the 100,000, probably around 88, right? And I forgot to give it to Ronnie, my broker, and the stock gapped up to 150. I left $7.5 million on the table. How's that for those apples? Right? I had my own firm. Smile away. I had my own firm. I did say cancel the short. Okay, then I shorted again, 89 to 89.30. Okay. Patrick O'Brien, how are you, my friend? Paul, how are you, Paul? Well, no, I mean, if you, $1 billion then? Oh, yeah, absolutely. And if I tell you a story, you're not going to believe it. That $1 billion I was given, okay, was actually the equivalent to me not breaking Reg T. Why do I do this now? Because I'm too old to have a firm. I'm exhausted. I'm trading prop. Traded. I traded a bunch of different props. Yes. And I'm walking here. Why are you walking? I don't want to have a firm anymore. Are you crazy? You know the aggravation of doing that? Forget it. I'm going to be 63 years old February 10th. Do you think I really want to do this? Oh, by the way, are we doing this on Martin Luther King night? Can somebody from MyFundedFutures text me if we're doing this? I don't mind doing it. Are we working on Martin Luther King night? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Hey, AK Price Action, how are you, AK? There goes the gold. You can look, just scalp trade the silver. Just dropped 8. Gold shot up and right back down again. Silver just got cabooshed 15 cents.
What a short.
Right? What a short. You should definitely be up on the day.
I'm at 89.
Up?
No, I mean, I bought a short at 89.
That's not what I said. You should be up on the day. Okay? NASDAQ getting absolutely cabooshed. Gold hit 25, just dropped 4. This gold's finished. I did not work with my dad per se. I saw my dad. Right? Hey, Nick, what's going on, Nick? Nick, I hope you're short. Okay, Silva. All these S&Ps are finished. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Right? Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer.
Who am I?
Who's you? Who's the guy behind you? I don't know the guy behind me. Okay. All right. This silver gets up to the 05.35. I'd short it. Look at this freaking. Forget about it. The random people here, I don't know them. I found them on the street. They wanted a warm place and a cup of soup. I don't know. No, this is 2 people from my community that asked to come and be with me, and I obliged. I like it. I want to teach them. They're with me. Get in there, Jennifer. Right? And I open the door for people. Yeah, they're students. And they come from all around the world. I love it. I love teaching. I love helping people. I want to help people do well and their lives change. If I tell you what most of my community, what they make on a day, learning my methodology, seeing the trade. Yesterday, a pattern set up, and a person from Costa Rica said, "Stevie, we do this." I go, "Yep, that's exactly what we do next." That's exactly what we do next. Cover the silver in between 90 and 05 if you're short. Okay. And anybody wants to really learn from me, my door is always open. You can always text me or call me. Everybody's different, M. You know.
What short?
266.
You see that short in silver?
266.
That's what I'm talking about. There you're not done. Let's go.
300. You saying 300? Come on.
No. He's done. Jay, can you text me? Yes, 914-500-7484, Jay. Absolutely. You can come visit. Copper kaboomed. But I ought to put some copper up here. We got to trade some copper and platinum too. What do you think? Is MyFundedFutures allow you guys to trade copper and platinum? Well, AK price action, you're more than welcome. If you text me, I'll short this silver again here. If silver gets up to like to the 15 to 45 range, I'll be looking for scalps. Okay. J 914-500-7484. Jay, you're supposed to talk to me last month and you never called me. Jay, look at the silver. Oh my God, I got to short some silver up here. You got to be kidding me, silver. Oh my God, it just got kaboom. Cover the silver below 08 to 18. Oh my God. Look at this. This silver is an animal. It belongs in a cage. Oh my God. This silver. Jay, what's your... That's the bull. There goes the gold. Boom. Where's Jay? What's Jay doing here? It'll drop. Where the numbers for... I didn't call any gold. Gotta wait for this silver here. Silver just popped. Silver's going to drop here. You got non-confirmations on the 30 and 60. When's the next short on gold? I think gold gets up to the 27.80, up to the 32.80. Silver is dropping here. Just dropped down to 27. Base hit stacker. Look at the silver drop. Come on, silver. Cover the silver anywhere between the 18 and 28 range if you're short. Who is the person that, the hedge fund or the venture capitalist person? I saw him once here before. Okay, it's J3S9Z. Okay, all right. Hello, boo-boo. Who made 6,000? Good job. Hey, what do you got? What do you got? Okay, nothing. Okay. Silver. Hey, Pac-Man, all-time high silver. Silver. Hello, boo-boo. Hello. The silver should drop here, though. Wait for the pullback. The right trade right now, since you got the buy on the 30-minute, is no. What do you want with that cup? Get over there. Get over here. Sit down. All right. All right, silver's picking its head up here. Oh, I'd short this. I'm going to shorten some silver up here. 53, 58, 62, 6. Silver should drop. Denny made 6,000. There you go, Denny. Get in there. Oh.
So we don't want to go down.
Nah, it's, I'd scalp the short here, 65 to 95 range. The silver should drop. Oh my God. You see that drop just now? Oh my Lord. It's new all-time highs here. Let's see if the silver can drop down to 68 here. 71. Let's see here. Hi, guys. How are you? 78, 80. Oh, my God. Let's see if the silver can drop. Boom. Flat. Oh, my God. What a caboose. Lower your stops. Oh, I was short. Oh, my God. What a short. Oh, my God. Silver caboosed. Where's the bear? Whoa. Oh, my goodness. Holy. Woo. Oh, my God. I was short like 18, 19, up around 78. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Wow. Holy moly. You see that drop? Phew. Did gold get up to the 2780? The silver's still going back up. Oh, my goodness gracious. Gold got up to 2760. All right, I'd cancel that. The biggest drop ever. You ain't kidding. When you're short. Wow. Right down to 57. Cabooshed. Hitman. Good job, Hitman. There's got to be about 300 stop orders in silver right here on this whole move up. Got to be at least 200 stop orders here. There's actually a huge bear flag here. Right? Okay, 90. Could be 90 there tonight. Hi, Boo Boo. Where's my honey, Boo? Where's Daddy? How much you up?
266.
How much?
266.
I'm proud of you. Good.
I'm done.
You should trade another account now, right? Come on, let's go. Wake up. Don't waste a minute. Let's do it, right? Don't waste a minute. Right? Don't waste a minute. If you want to take another scalp on silver, 89.85 up to 90.15 on silver. Boom. Boom. Oh, man. There you go, Hitman. Great job. Asia loves the metals. Absolutely. J3S92. You could definitely text me at 914-500-7484. Silver is starting to drop here. Silver. Lower your stops if you sold silver up here. Hit 90. Look at the silver drop. Did I cancel the gold short? Of course, gold hits 27.80 now and drops too. Okay. All right. So that's it. The giveaway is over, meaning for it to sign up. What can I help you with? What can I help you with? Hello, my daddy. I love you. Look at my Henny Poo. Look at my Hendrix, my good boy. The silver short is just basically the price is too far from the 10-bar moving average, 9 cents away. So I'm looking just to scalp the short, looking for pullback. Okay, I'm not looking at copper. You want me to look at copper now? What's copper doing? HG. Oh my God, this copper's got to be shorted. 608.10 up to 609.50. Oh my God, look at this copper. He's a good boy, my Henny, right? The metals, baby, the metals, the metals, the metals, the metals. There you go. Boom. Do I see a possible dump on gold? No, I think gold's going to get a nice pullback on the 15 and then push up. Let's see here. Oh my God, this copper. Who's buying copper? All right. 609 for copper. That's insane. Yeah, I usually fade the rallies and then look for pullbacks. Right? You could cover some copper here, 609, 608.10 to 50. Oh, look at this thing drop. $609.20, $609.10, 15. Now, I mean, silver, you're 0.5% away from the 10 bar. That's pretty high. The silver should drop hard here. There it goes. You could look to cover 609.10 to 60 on silver. Anywhere in there. Gold just got cabooshed. Silver just got cabooshed. 80 on the silver. Come on. Pull in 70 on the silver. Anywhere from the 608.10 to 608.70 on silver. If you're short here, 70, 50. Look at the silver drop. Yes, yes, may you rot. Look at that silver drop. I mean, copper. Look at that copper drop. Woo! What a drop in copper. S&P, NASDAQ, new lows. Oh, my God, get back. Oh, my God. What a drop in copper. Get the bag, Norton. Oh, my goodness gracious. Kabooshed. May he rust in hell. Right. Wow. NASDAQ's finished. Wow. Copper just dropped. Look at his gold drop 3. Silver just dropped 30. Silver cabooshed. How about copper cabooshed? Wow. May you rust in hell. That's pretty funny, actually.
Get that Legends thing figured out.
Wow, look at this copper drop 2 cents. Anybody short the copper? Oh my God. What a short in copper. Jesus. SJ Pumps, did you get short? Should have been bought here now. All right. I can't see. I can't see, Josh. I can't see the chart. Sorry. All right. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 59.79 range, I'll probably take a long. Wow, River Play. What a short River Play. Wow, that was a quick. Jennifer, you see that drop in copper, Jennifer? Time to dump the NASDAQ. Halfway to drop. Okay. Wow. Johnny boy. I hope you guys understand you have to sign up for MyFundedFutures account in order to receive the giveaway, right? Get in there, Jennifer. Look at that. The minute I say the NASDAQ, it just rallied. Look at the NASDAQ just run 12. See that, NASDAQ? Oh, my God. Wow. Wow. Copper just ran a penny and a half. All right. I was about to say buy the copper. Just looking for the first pullback on a 5-minute. Oh, my Lord. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Copper got kabooshed off the highs. I mean, silver. Sorry. All right. Tommy Tom, what happened? Why are you done? Why do you mean you always do bad things at Asia session? Nobody does anything bad at Asia session. What are you talking about? All right. Silver is so far extended here. All right. You made enough. Good job, Tom. What's his name? Tommy Tom. All right. Item B, the minute you said it's time to dump the NASDAQ, they exploded. Right? Wow. Copper. Unbelievable. Johnny boy, what a short in that copper, Johnny boy, right? Oof. Zeph sides. Listen, I'm telling you right now. Okay, I'm telling you right now, in 50 minutes, all right, I'm sorry, in 40 minutes, there's no selling in silver now. You got to wait. At 9:50, when the wheels spun, if I can't read a name, I don't care. I'm not calling it. Rust in Hell. I love that. That's a T-shirt. Write that down. That's a T-shirt. Right, Lee? That's a T-shirt. Rust in Hell. Not you. Where my boy? He wants to eat my head. I love you too. 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 But how many snacks can you eat me at a house and home? My Henny Poo. My good boy. Man's best friend.
For the 15 to finally roll on. Jesus Christ.
No. Hey, get back there. No. I haven't even used it in a while. This copper may roll over here. Silver is going to push down here. Now, when silver gets oversold on the 5, this will be deemed the first pullback on the 5-minute. Positive MACD, ADX rising, big buying pressure, right? You want a Scooby snack? Well, get behind him. Copper doesn't rust us. I know, Patrick. Oh, my God.
It's a joke.
It's a joke, Patrick. Just like the one time I told the kid I was trading one day, and I made a comment, and I said I want to put my head in the microwave and press high, and about 4 minutes later, one of my people in my Discord says, "Mr. Kalayjian, I'm an engineer student at so and so college. I just want to inform you that if you put your head in a microwave and you press the high button, if the door is open, it won't work, sir." I'm like, oh my God, really? Like, I don't know that, really? It's just it's just
He's an engineer.
he's an engineer student, I guess, right? So I let him have his moment. I just stared at the monitor. I just stared at the monitor. Get over there. And that was that. Right, Lee? I couldn't believe it. Right? I was just joking around. Oh, Barbaretto, right?
You're trying to help you kill yourself.
And he was just joking around. All right, anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream? You could just text me 914-500-7484. We should have 5,000 people on at the night stream here. Copper, gold, platinum, silver, E-minis, NASDAQ. Any shorts in gold? Not yet. Look at the 5-minute time frame. We want to turn up. So, but the real strategy here tonight for all of you is, if you're going to stay on long enough, is copper, silver, okay, and gold. You want to try to get these 15-minute time frames oversold, set up a nice little bull flag, and then bink, right back up. That's going to be a great pattern right there. But we'll be off the air when that happens, most likely. All right, silver's dropping here. The fives, we want to get long off the fives, but it's still, let's see if the silver can get to 26, 27. I don't know what's going to cause that, but. My X handle, at official Stephen Kalayjian on X, okay, on X. Instagram and TikTok, I do not DM anybody, so please be careful, okay? You have my own personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. If you want a 5-day free trial, or if you want to just text me and talk about trading, so be it. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Wow. Just dropped 15. NASDAQ just dropped 12. NASDAQ just got kabooshed there. Oh, put these things on. All right, let's see if this silver can drop. Oh my God, S&P's just dropped too. Gold's just chilling. NASDAQ, Stephen. Look at that cabooshin. What a cabooshin on NASDAQ. I thought it was gonna get right here. Look at this. 98 kaboosh, 20 on the NASDAQ. All right, I would buy the NASDAQ here, 59 to 79 range. These 15s look like they want to turn up here. Hey, get back. Get. What's he doing?
Yeah, he's all right.
He is?
Yeah.
He's going to eat something. See if this silver can drop here. Hey. I want to see if this silver can drop. Now, these 5-minute time frames are going to set up a really nice, beautiful, long pattern here. S&Ps, yeah, probably S&Ps anywhere between the 87 and 92 range. I'm not shorting silver. I'm looking to buy silver, Mikey. Okay. Dragon Trades, great job, Dragon Trades. There goes the gold making new highs. No, get back. Are you up money?
You know.
Don't tell me, Melvin. No, come on. There's not enough scotch in the world for this.
Yeah. Exactly.
What did you do?
I almost got stomped out trying to short the silver and then hit the new high.
Why you didn't get stopped on it?
No, I didn't. No, I got out, but I'm down like at 1,400 right now. So, you know, it shot right up there. I got in at 89 even, and it just, like, it was, you saw it.
I called a short right here, and then it dropped. Then I called the other short right here. Kashi, I don't have any. I have a podcast. You could watch the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. You could watch that, or you could join my live stream. Okay, you could join this. Silver is going to get turned up here. If this silver gets down to the, I would say the 20 to 50 range, I look to buy it. I have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Okay. Also, I have a 5-day free trial. If you want, just text me and I'll give it to you. 914-500-7484. Okay. And that's that there. And it's very quiet. There goes the NASDAQ right back up 10. Anybody able to get the long on the NASDAQ? I didn't trade it. Just I'm watching the metals here. Look at the gold making new highs. Okay, look at the gold make. Oh, this silver is gonna go. This silver could actually push above 90 on this long. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ? Oh, I'm exhausted. I would be careful being short the NASDAQ here at 90, and I'll tell 890, and I'll tell you why. The 15-minute time frame is about to turn up. Silver just rallied 20 cents here. 15 to Jackal. Where's J3S92? Can you text me 914-500-7484? What? All right, gold, I would cancel the silver, I would cancel the buy range. We're 83.90. I want to see silver get oversold on the 15, on the 5 here, and then turn up. And then the next pattern would be the 15 getting oversold and then it turn up. You got the ADXs are rising, the MACD is positive, very powerful. Why am I shorting us? I'm calling for longs. Mokamtar Mohammed. I'm telling you now, if I can't read a name tonight, it's over. Okay? And you guys need to have MyFundedFutures accounts, emails set up. Right? Let me see what Denny wrote here. All right. I'm not looking at short silver here. All right, we got 20 minutes before the raffle. So this is deemed the first pullback right here. What did it get down to here? 42. Just ran 30.
Hey, stop it. Hey. Go sleep.
I only say, right, I never say 74.5. I say 70 to even or 69. I never say halves. You understand what I'm saying? 90. See, 89, 31 more cents up. $90. Oh boy, gold just got nothing here going on. Oh yeah, 90 is coming on silver, absolutely. Okay, we will be doing Monday, January 19th. So I will be here. Okay. Is it true the physical price of silver? I never heard that. Where? Who heard that? I'm not buying S&Ps here. I called along in the NASDAQ and I said S&Ps 87 to 92. I always use limit orders, Little Roo. I never do market orders. Never. I mean, if they're dropping and I can't click fast enough, then I'll go boop. Okay. That silver, I mean, that NASDAQ just rallied 16.
5-minute overbought on silver.
I'm sick to my stomach. Is that the one I gave you? Or that's another one.
That's another one.
You bought it?
Yes, the one I bought this morning. You know.
Where's the one I gave you?
I still got it in my back pocket.
I gave you two, right?
Yep. And Josh is going to show me how to get them going.
All right. See if this silver can get down to the 10 to 40 range. The PA. All right, let's see here. Anybody know where J3S92 is? Anybody? Let me look at platinum. The gold chart, I mean, I just showed you. Oh, my God. Should have bought this silver at 50. Silver, if it gets down to the 20 to 50 range, I look to buy it. There goes gold, new highs. Oh, Jay, I didn't see that. I'm sorry. I apologize. Okay. All right. So let's do this here now. So what I expect in the London session? Yes, the London session, I expect the following. Ready? I expect the 30-minute time frame, since the algorithm reversed to buy. I expect between now and probably midnight, the 15 to get somewhat oversold. Well, see the ADX is rising here, right? So I expect maybe this, a push up, then this, okay, oversold, which could be the 30-minute coming down like this, and then the 15's doing this, and then the 8, then again during the European session, the 30-minute gets oversold and then pushes this thing. Watch, mark my words tonight. We'll see silver above 90, 90 and a half. Who wants under over 90, 90 and a half between now and the New York session? Under over. You know what here the craziest thing in the world? I came up with that 6-7 years ago. I went to the SEC and said I want to do a game where you can bet $2 a game and decide, like I had thousands of games, right? Under over an Apple, who's, certain periods of the time of the day, okay? And the SEC called my partner and said, this is ingenious, but we need to talk to you. Okay, so he said, okay, what do you want to talk about? If you do this, it'd be a violation. However, because it's deemed a derivative. So my partner said, what do you mean a derivative? So he said, thank you, David T. Thank you, Jay. And I'm going to show you gold in a second. And he said, they said to me that if I formed an exchange, it would be deemed okay and they would help me set up the exchange. The SEC said they would help me. That would cost about $1 million, and they would actually help me with the IPO for the exchange. I'm like, what? They were so nice. And they said, this is ingenious. I should have went to the CFTC because there were no regulations on it. And I could have did sporting under over. Silver looked to sell 50 to 65 range. And maybe higher here. And now you got all these under over on Bitcoin, under over this, under over that. And anybody who knows me, okay, so no, it's not. And anybody who knows me, I do the under overs. Okay, I do the under overs during the US session. Right? And I can't believe that Poly Markets actually has that. No, George, believe it or not, they didn't want to cut. They wanted to help me. They said this was ingenious. They loved the idea. The SEC told me that. So, the hell, I missed my mark there. So what else is new? But I was always 5 steps ahead of these people. All right. Okay. All right, we're going to do the about what? 13 minutes. Really, I swear to God, you see, that's why when you hear me in the morning, George, say under over 69, 99, 70, 50, under over, right? All right. Yeah, I think silver is a buy here between the 20 and 50 range. But again, it just traded up to 53, 55. Hey, the The DJ day trader. What's going on, brother? Okay. I don't know if you're going to get 40. If you're long silver, I'd sell like 50 up to like 58, 65 range. Okay. Yeah. So I came up with this under over poly markets nonsense way ahead of everybody. I have all the documentation to prove it too. Just absolutely kill me. Knife in the heart. Kaboom! There you go, Silva. Just ran 10-12. What is going on now? But what are they going to do? I came up with this idea 6-7 years ago. FL Trader, you're in Palm Beach, Florida. I'm in Jupiter. Just text me. Come next week. 914-500-7484. It wasn't patenting an idea. They told me I needed $1 million. And then they said that they would help me build an exchange. And then I could do an IPO for like 300 million or something like that. I don't know. Who knows? But it is the truth, though. I'll tell you that. That's why if you hear me, SLV, look at this. Look at this pullback on silver. Tell me you're long.
No, I'm flat.
You weren't long?
No, I got
You should have made money on that trade. That just ran 20 cents on silver.
Oh, I did. I got it in at 89.5, and I got it up to 89.6.
What'd you make on that? 200?
No, I can only do 2 contracts.
You doing big ones or smalls?
Small. It says micros, but I mean,
You only did 2 micros?
it only lets me do 2.
How,
I don't know why. I'm telling you.
no prop firm just allows you to do 2
I'll
micros.
show you.
You can only do 4 on Legends.
Micros?
Mhm.
On the one I just gave you?
On the silver, right?
Yep.
On everything else, you can do it. Yeah, I don't know why. See, I mean, it's probably the volatility in that.
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm telling you.
I don't know. There goes the silver right back up.
And I told you. Remember, I was telling you in the car when you asked me what am I ranging in at. But it only lets me do 2, so I've been spacing them out 10 cents as late as I can.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah. I even went looking for if there's another symbol for micro, but I can't find one for silver.
All right, that's pretty much dead here now. The silver should get one more push up here. But then you see the 15s rolling over here. So I think you get a push up, then a drop, get these 15s, set up a nice bull flag, and then another kaboom, right? If you get stopped out, where? What are you talking about? On a trade, yes, I go right back in. Double, correct. It's very rare to get stopped out twice unless the blank hits the fan, right? Hey, Steven, how are you? 2 is enough, 30 points. How could nobody could just trade two micros? Then that's not the plan. What's the next plan? Then wow, I didn't know that. When you trade with MyFundedFutures, how many micros silver can you trade? Do you know? I mean, I know there's various different plans, but I mean, MyFundedFutures is the best prop firm out there. So How many?
So 30 on
3 on a 50. 3 or 30?
30 to 50.
No, I see 30 on a
So this is
50K.
30, yeah.
Choosing up 30 points apart.
How could you trade 2 micros?
But hey, copper don't rust.
The silver's going to get one more push up. I don't know. I thought that.
I thought we were doing
Based on
something
the
wrong
work,
too.
right? A lot of times it's different. You see it in every sport, not just basketball, football, baseball. Everybody's walking around with a logo and a hat. And I get it. But whatever I did here is never going to affect.
Come on, silver. $2K drawdown, boss. Not trying to blow my account on one trade. You're not going to blow your account on one trade if it's a micro, no? I mean, unless you let it go like 90, right? Oh, no. I still think the silver is going to get one more push up here. If you're long the silver below 50, you could look to sell here, 55 up to 65.70. AS turning down. Yes, you're out. Yes, yes, yes. Gold's boring tonight. Just inching up. If this gold gets up to the 30.5, 36.5 range, most likely going to be a short, or 31 to 36. I hate sideways markets too. Hey, Polar Monkey. See, that's a name. I could say that, Polar Monkey. I can't say all this other nonsense. And plus, I left my reading glasses in the car. So I need Jennifer's help. Where's Jennifer? Jen, you going to help me, Jen? Where's my Jennifer? Thank you, Jennifer. All right. Okie dokie, Snooky. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. Just say Sam. I got Sam. I got Jennifer helping me. I love it. Silver's going to be a buy. You could take this long on the silver again here, 89 to 89.30 if you want. You blew your account on 3 micros? Poof. There you go, right back up on the silver. Let's see here. 5 micros equals a big one. That's correct. Look at the silver right back up. You hope you got long.
I missed it.
How could you miss that?
89.3.
Same, yep, same here. Got bids out of 89.
It got down to 27.
Didn't get it.
I got a bid out of 89.3.
Look at that silver. Just ran 20 cents on that. Anybody get that long on silver? Thank you, Jennifer. The best, Jennifer. The best. or you can count on me. Oh my God, Silva. Oh my God. Danielle, happiness. Please tell me you bought the silver. Oh my God, look at that long. That's a beautiful long. Lee, Jeff, tell me you bought the silver on that flush down. Wow, that was beautiful. Oh my Lord, 30 cents up on silver. Danielle, great job, Danielle. It's good if I sell here. What is that about? If you're long, I would scale out of longs. Yes. I think silver is going to go VWAP. I agree. But if you're long silver, I would sell some and raise your stops. You see that? Right into the 10 bar. Boom, boom. I think there's a ruling on with the Supreme Court on is it a transgender athletes, right? Something like that. I saw that one. Eric, great job. That's a great long on up 600. Great job, Eric. If you long the silver, Mokhtar Mohammed, I start tariffs tomorrow. Yes. All right. I would start scaling out of some longs here. So technically, this is the strategy. You buy the first pullback on the 5-minute, okay, after the 15 reverse to buy right here, and the 30. Actually, the 30. So that's a set strategy. Gold did not have the same pattern. This is a first pullback on the 5-minute, the oversold after the 30 reverse to buy, right? 30-minute reverse to buy right here at 8 o'clock, and this is the first pullback on the 5. We got the PPI tomorrow. Oh my God, silver's up 40 cents. I wouldn't short the silver right now. No way. Hell no. How's everybody doing? Everybody doing okay? All right, we got the raffle. Oh, we're going to do the raffle. Let's do the raffle. We're 1 minute late. Let's do it. And please, I'm warning you, if there's a name I can't read, next. Come on, Jen, help me out. Let's go. Let's do the raffles. Silver, I'd be exiting longs. This gold's a short. I said to short the gold at 30.5, 31. Did it get up there? 31. Are you short this gold? I would lower your stops. Just drop 3. Oh my God. I'm scared to look at these names. How do I enlarge it? This here? Hey, I got it. MS 5243. MS Gufu 5243. Anybody? You got to be here to win it. He's here? How do you see that? Congratulations. Next. We have a winner. That's the name. We have a winner. TK the Aggie Trader. TK the Aggie Trader. TK the Aggie Trader. Is he here? There you go. Next. Franco Fozzi. Franco Fozzi. Franco Fozzi. Going once. Going twice. Franco Fozzi. He's here. Got it. That's 3. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, we're 3 for 3 here, Jennifer. And Joshua got me to open the screen bigger. What the hell is this word? NQ Raisin. NQ Raisin. R-A-I-Z-E-N. NQ Raisin. Going once. NQ Raisin. He's here? Okay, that's 4. Next. He's here? Oh, he's not here? Hey, the venture capitalist, J3S9Z just won an account. It's your lucky night. Congratulations. Look at this gold drop. He's here. You got to give it to him. J3S9Z. I'm not tagging him. I don't know who it is. Venture guy doesn't need one. Oh my God, you guys are brutal. All right. Oh, Jay NQ Raisin's not here. Next. Oh, Jay's not here. Oh, come on. Nitshishmi Chemo 0. NITISHKM 0. What the heck? Nitishkimo 0. Not here. Both not here. He's here? All right. That's 4. We got 6 more to go. Let's go. Alexa. What? Alexa Lover? Alexa Lover? Where's Rocky been? I know. Where's Rocky been? Alexa Lover, A-L-E-X-A. Is that an I? Yes. I-L-O-V-E-R. Yep. She's here. Okay. Next. I have no idea where to get these names from. Look at this name. Conley, who's making this move? Conley 4497. Conley 4497. Here? Okay. How do you see that? Where do you see this here? Jennifer?
Over on the
Where? Here?
Yeah, on the chat.
Oh.
On the MyFundedFutures chat.
Hey, here we go. He's in my channel here. Alexev Kav 1301. Alex Sav 1301. Congratulations. How to join? You got to sign up before 9 o'clock. Oh, Alex, you're there. Alex, I know you're there. Going once. Alex, yeah, he's in my chat. Okay, next. How many is that? 7? How many is that? I have no idea. Bob Oates the Great. Bob Oates the Great. Babos the Great. Babos the Great. Going once. Babos the Great. Okay, Alex is here. Alex is here. Okay. Going once. Babos the Great. He's here? Okay. I don't see him. I don't know.
Babos sleep now.
Babos is sleeping. You sure Babos the Great is here? No? I don't see him. Babos sleep now. All right, next. Sleepy time.
Babo the late.
Babo the Late. Trade for pay 01. Trade for pay 01. Trade for pay 01. Going once.
He's here in Spanish.
Going twice. He's here?
Still haven't seen him.
I haven't seen him.
People keep saying he's here.
He's here in Spanish?
Yeah.
Not here. Next!
Oh, that guy Barbo the Great is saying that that's him.
Blaski. Oh, I know this one. Blaski Finance. Blaski Finance. Blaski Finance. Blaski. He's here? No. Not here. Next! Polar Monkey B3M. Polar Monkey. Polar Monkey, where are you? Polar Monkey. Oh, Polar Monkey. Oh, Polar Monkey. Polar Monkey, you here? Polar Monkey?
Yep,
He's here. How many is that? 8? I'm not even sure anymore. I lost my count. Is that 8? Polar Monkey? I think this might be 9. I'm not sure. Cranston White, 412. Cranston White, 412. Cranston White, 412. Oh, Blaski Finance is here?
Yeah, he's here.
All right, Blaski Finance, you better redeem it quickly.
Cranston White's here.
Polar Monkey, you're welcome. Cranston White's here.
I love Breaking Bad.
All right, is that 10? That's 9. Okay, one more. We got one more. I'm not sure if we got one more or not. Kurth Thanka 95. Kier Thanka. What is it called?
Yeah.
Kirthanic? I can't read. Kirthanic 95. You're the 10th winner if you get it. He's in?
Yep.
All right, that's 10. All right. All right. So anyway, Jennifer, they got the wheel bigger on me, Jen. Okay, thank you. Look at my Jennifer helping me out. Look at this, Jen. Look at this, Jennifer. All right, great job. Look at Jennifer posting on the best, my assistant. All right, everybody. I want to say thank you to My Funded Futures. Thank you for all of you to be here. Thank you for giving me this chance, this opportunity to host all of you here. I want to teach you again. If you want to see me, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please watch it on my SK Trading YouTube. Also, on my Discord every single day from 8:30 to 4. I host my own SK Trading Live. And if you want a free trial, you could just text me at 914-500-7484 if you want to just talk about the markets or need any help with anything. That's what I want to do, is to make you all successful and have your lives changed in a very positive way. With that being said, I want to thank everybody here tonight. Thank you to Denny for in the back. Thank you so much, everybody. Remember, God bless you. PPI number tomorrow. And of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride